Hello again. Anyone familiar with the channel knows that Dieter Beikirch's collection of German Valvera avionics is both extraordinary and historically significant. Today, instead of showing and talking about a part of the collection, we have an important announcement. The Dieter Beikirch collection is looking for a new home. After decades of accumulating and restoring the elements of the collection, Dieter would like to retire from these responsibilities and pass the collection on to the next generation for preservation. Institutions or individuals who would like to make an offer for the collection whole or in part should in the first instance contact us at deutscheavioniksammlung @gmail.com. This email address is repeated in the notes below the video. One crucial addition to the collection that we still have to mention is the literature and documentation support included with the equipment. Here's Dieter to tell you more.
I open this door and what you see, plenty documents. Every test panel, every system has a number, yeah? And to this number you find the documents here. So you have not to search long, what I have to see, what I have to see. You see to the number, take this number, and you have everything what you need.
We will of course continue making videos showing you items from the collection, as well as interesting topics in Valvera, electronics and avionics, so don't forget to subscribe to catch those videos. We look forward to seeing you again soon. From Dieter and me, bye for now.